San, how are you?
Very good afternoon, everyone.
Very good afternoon. We got a great recipe for today.
Yes, today that's called sushi burger.
Sushi burger. I've seen a lot of this on Instagram and wanted to show everyone how to do it in your style. So here, let's go through the ingredients.
Yes, of course. First ingredient is rice. Okay, I'm gonna make rice pate, right? So I'm going to use this one, the fresh one. And then next one is here's a tuna. We're gonna make a spicy tuna. And here's a fresh salmon. Yeah, we have several vegetables here: lettuce and beet sprout and kale sprouts. And I'm gonna make a spicy tuna with this. And masago and mayonnaise. I'm gonna make another sauces. And then first we're gonna make a rice pate, and then put a panko crust and make it fried. So this is the udon one. I'm gonna keep into the water for a little bit. This is the bottom one. Put this on the top and take the rice. Like that. Then press. Like this. And after that, I'm going to keep cool up a little bit to rice make it a little bit hot. That's the more easy to put the panko crust.
Okay, here.
Okay, so I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay, rice is ready. So next one is I'm gonna do a panko crust on the rice. Okay. First thing, some eggs. The rice. I'll put a little bit of powder here. The next step is the egg. And then panko. Like that. Next one is let's make the spicy tuna. A little bit of sriracha and kimchi sauce, sesame oil, a little bit of mayonnaise. Okay, spicy tuna is done. The mayonnaise here, and then add the masago. Mix it up. A little bit add to the sesame oil. gonna move to this on the plate. Okay. So next step, we're gonna do a fry up the rice.
Okay, here we are at 307.
307. Okay, let's start it.
Okay.
Okay. You can see that. Nice and brown.
Looks like a hash brown, Hiro.
Looks like a hash brown.
I love hash browns.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's throw in another one. Yes. Okay. Another one ready. To start our assembly. Put the rice one first. Then lettuce. You like lettuce a little bit sticking out, right?
Yeah, looks good.
Like that. Okay.
Very photogenic.
And the spicy tuna.
Come on, Hiro, use everything, Hiro.
Yes, I think it's a little bit too much. I guess, but it's going to be huge.
Yeah, that's fine, no problem.
It's going to be huge.
Use it all. Let's
sandwich.
use it all. Have to. But they make it look better than a Big Mac.
You like a Big Mac, right?
I love Big Mac.
What about double whopper?
But I eat the Big Mac layer by layer.
It's a different brand, right?
Yeah, Whopper.
Okay. And the next one is salmon.
All right.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put a little bit of green in the middle. Make a little carrot. Okay, it's salmon. Might just smoke salmon as well too.
Sure.
It's good.
Oh, come on, one more piece, Hiro.
You sure?
Oh, yeah. There we go.
Like that?
Now we're talking.
Wow. And the mayonnaise.
Okay. Mayo with Masago.
Right.
It's a nice touch.
I don't have a squeeze this bottle, so just do like that. Like that. Beets sprout. That's it. And this one go on top.
Okay. Oh, let me tell you what, here, that looks really good.
Really?
Really, really good.
Really?
Talking about a sushi burger, let me tell you, this is a beautiful sushi burger. Let's take a look at this.
Okay.
Take a look at this, everyone. Wow.
That's
Let's
it.
try this.
Sushi burger.
That looks so good here.
Maybe some eel sauce in the mixer.
Yeah. More spice mayo. Hiro, thank you so much. That looks wonderful. I can't wait to try
Thank you
it.
very much.
Guys, like this video at home, give it a thumbs up, comment below what you would like to see Hiro make in terms of a sushi burger. And share it. Don't forget to subscribe. We hope you guys enjoyed this episode.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. See you soon. Okay, Hiro, let's try it.
Okay. First, I'm gonna cut it to two pieces. Okay.
Oh, listen to the crunch.
Like that. Look at this.
Wow, looks good. You know that? Looks really, really good. Okay, enjoy, Hiro.
Okay. That's perfect.
Good? The bread is good? The rice bread?
Yeah, rice bread.
I hear the crunch. Panko just really crunchy, huh? With the rice. And remember, guys, this is short grain rice, the best rice you can ever have.
No.
Wow. Okay, look, I can't hold it anymore, Hiro. Let me try a piece too. Here's the bite.
It's on one hand a little bit tough.
Yeah, a little bit tough. I'll do my best. Oh, the panko is still warm.
Rice is not, not perfect, right? Not too hard.
Really good.
Panko kind of keeping the moisture inside of the rice. So, as you see, if you rice straight to making the fried wrap, the outside is way too crunchy, right?
Too hard, but this is really good. I can see why these are so popular. Let me get more of the fish here. The spicy tuna is great. That's another dimension of flavor. Of course, it's got the crunchiness, different texture. Never had this before. Usually the crispy rice spicy tuna is more crunchier. This is more lighter. I think I would prefer to do the crispy rice spicy tuna with this kind. You know that, Hiro? More work, but wow. Really, really good. Another bite.
Good. You can change. You can make another type of that. Ingredients.
Yeah. Let's explore that. Let us know, guys, in the comments below. What do you want to see Hiro to put inside this rice burger? But let me tell you, it's phenomenal.
Maybe sukiyaki.
Oh yeah, maybe some beef. Great idea. To be continued.
Yeah.
See you guys. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much.